This video will help you get started to find the KIM course level in order to make changes and revisions to a pre-existing course. Let's show you how to find KIM. Navigate to your MyBTC page and find the Faculty Quick Links card. Click on KIM Courses. Make sure you've logged in, and you can search for the course with the CRN. If you're unsure of the exact CRN, you can use an asterisk with the first 3 digits, and it will find everything that starts with that. Once you do find the course that you would like to make changes to, click on it to view the file. As you click on this KIM file, you will see the history of changes on the right-hand side, when the last changes were approved to this course, and when it was last edited. Click on Edit Course to begin making your changes. As it says, the fields that are outlined in red are required before a proposal can be submitted. If it's shaded in gray, you are unable to edit that. Some of these fields are self-explanatory, such as the contact info. However, clicking on this question mark icon will allow you to receive additional information if you're unsure what to type in certain fields. Think through the reason for your request to make this change for the course and provide any supporting data that you can, and it will help to streamline these changes through the KIM process. Enter in and change any pertinent information, such as course description, credit hours with types of instruction, or eliminate and add course prerequisites. This table of prerequisites is populated by the banner and is meant to show what it looks like from a catalog perspective. Make additions to the prerequisites above the table with the green plus sign, and make eliminations to the prerequisites within the table using this little red X icon. Be aware that some of these changes that you're making to a course could have an impact on the overall program, where the change may need to be made there and reflected as well. Provide any additional information if you will feel like it will help to understand the need for the change. Finally, you will have to click on whether or not you have spoken with your program's advisor about this proposed change, and if you have made these changes in WIDS. Both of these are actually very important to remember to close the circle on the change, as the program's advisor should be aware of important changes and how to best advise students. Additionally, the change will not be made in WIDS without going there directly. Whether you think you should make the change right now in WIDS, or if you'll remember to make the change after it's approved, think of how you can remind yourself to make and reflect those changes there. When the entire file has been completed, you can save your changes, but it's best to save and start to the workflow. Otherwise, the change will not enter into the KIM cycle. When the change has been submitted, you will see changes in green for additions and in red for eliminations. Lastly, you will also be able to see the status of where the course is in the workflow, with green meaning it's been approved at that level, and this darker orange kind of color where it's currently at within the workflow process.